Hi guys, today I'm going to be tackling some basic household chores as well as organizing under my mom's bathroom sink. So if you guys are in need of some quick cleaning motivation, make sure to keep watching.
Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
I started off by tackling my bed. I got some new sheets and a new blanket, and I wanted to just set it all up. It actually took me a long time, but I didn't want to bore you guys with the super long video, so I cut a lot of it out. But I'm happy with how it turned out. And also these pillows, throw pillows that I'm going to show you guys in just a second, are from At Home, and I really like them. I think you can use them with a lot of different sheets and blankets, so definitely like those, and wish they had some more in some different colors, but these will do for now. I don't want to do too much talking in this video, so I'm gonna kind of just let it play, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, please give this video a like. It really does help out my video and my channel. I'd really appreciate it, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling.
Make sure you guys stay tuned till the end for that bathroom organization, as well as some sneak peeks into some other videos that are up or will be up on my channel.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Light me up, don't you stop, 'cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how. Get on down, close my eyes, take me for a ride. Got to be you. So come and light me up. I still need your fire, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up, let me touch the flame now, baby. I'm your
You guys, I've been loving this Purell multi-surface disinfectant. It has been so amazing during this crazy time of sickness. I talk more about it in my favorite cleaning products video, which I will link up top as well as down below in the description. And I talk about a few of my favorite products, so definitely check that out. Also, I did a whole day of laundry. All this other cleaning was kind of in between my laundry loads. So if you guys are curious about my laundry routine, I also just uploaded that video a couple days ago, and I will link it up top as well as down below. I talk about this Lysol laundry sanitizer and how it works and how I've been loving it. So this is my mom's bathroom sink, or under it, and this is like the before. It was a big hot mess and I wanted to kind of just get it in order really quick. This is just her guest bathroom, so she doesn't use this stuff that often, but I just want to get it in order. And I also want to apologize for the lighting in this video. Under her sink is so hard to record, and the lighting in the bathroom was just terrible. So the lighting is kind of weird, but I just took everything out, kind of went through it, what stuff was actually needed to be under there and what stuff didn't, and then I organized it in 3 dollar store bins that I just had from my apartment, and I organized everything in there, and it was super simple, super easy, didn't take too long, but it looks so much better. So this is the after. It is so much less cluttered, so much easier to access all the items, and I'm just happy with how it turned out. And it didn't cost me anything because I already had these bins. So that is all done. If you guys are curious about other areas of my mom's house, like this is her living room, which I just tackled and uploaded like a whole deep clean and rearranging of her living room. I will link that video on the screen as well as in the description box. I also have another video coming up of her spare bedroom, which was just like a hot mess. So if you guys are curious about that as well, that video should be up in the next few days, and when it is, I will link it in the description box. So definitely check out those videos. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and please subscribe for more cleaning and organizing motivation. Also, like I said, if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.